Meandcarkeys. Today's video is about the 2017 Mazda CX5. This is the Grand Touring Edition. When we got this car, it was the top of the line trim. Like, it had everything that you could possibly think of. A sunroof, it had leather seats, it had the huge screen, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering. We had everything that you could possibly think of. And we haven't given it enough attention. So today we're gonna clean it up first, and I got a little project I want to do. Got it cleaned up. Hey, y'all, be honest, is there any color that looks better on a vehicle than jet black? I think this color is actually called jet black. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this thing shines. And probably with the exception of Mazda red. I do love that Mazda red. With the exception of Mazda red, this is probably the best color on a Mazda CX5. Now, that brings me to the topic of today's video. Now, for all cars, especially black cars, wipe it off. Right? After you wash it, to get rid of those water spots, I always got to dry it with the microfiber towel to make sure there will be no water spots. Now, the topic of today's video is actually right here. Now, with this car being black, it does bring out these trim pieces that are fading badly. Now, I don't know if it's more apparent because the car is black or because it's actually fading. This is 5 years worth of being in the sun and fading. Now, we do park this in the garage majority of the time. However, it still began to fade almost entirely over the car. Yeah, you can actually see it even better right here. This used to be almost this color. To attempt to fix our little fading trim issue, we did go to Chemical Guys. Big shout out to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We got a product from them that we're going to try out, and it is called VRP, vinyl rubber and plastic protectant. We're going to try this out and see how it works. All right. Chemical Guys VRP, interior and exterior use, vinyl rubber and plastic protectant, super shine UV protection. That's awesome. Dry to the touch, repels dirt and water, long-lasting protection. And I figure the best place to start is right here. We got a nice flat surface to use. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some tape down so we can get a good, accurate look at how it works. Boom. Now, directions. I always read the directions. They are down here. Shake well. Shake well, spread with foam or microfiber applicator pad, work into the surface, wipe excess if desired, reapply as needed. So to apply our VRP, we are going to use these, also from Chemical Guys. It is a 2-pack of applicator pads. Yeah, so that is a big difference, y'all. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm happy you can see it in the camera. That is a huge difference. You can see it from a different angle. You see right there, that's the old part, that's the new part. That is crazy. And even crazier, it doesn't come off on your finger. Wow, yeah, that looks like brand new. That's actually how it looked when we first got this car. And it's only been on there for like 2 minutes, and for it to be dry to your fingertips, that's amazing. So, as you know, we're gonna do the whole car. And unfortunately, there's a lot of trim pieces on this car. Let's get started. Now, this is some good stuff. I'll leave the link for this in the description, as well as for the applicator pads that I got. I got them all on Amazon, so they should be easy to find. There are some areas that I need to go back over. Now that I'm doing it, I'm noticing there's some other stuff. All right, so I have to go back around and do these corner areas. And what's good about these applicator pads that you can bend them like this to get the corner. So that's what's good about these. You can get all these little edges that are kind of hard to get. I also went like here, down here in the door, open the door there and get like these little trim pieces on the inside there. And I'm also noticing there are other places that this stuff can actually work. Like here on the mirror, those are also plastic at the bottom. Your windshield wipers, you can get those. All these trim pieces around the window, you can get those. And there's a lot, look at this, like this area, whole area here can benefit from this stuff as well. But I must say, it looks amazing. Looks like a brand new car. This is how it looked when we got the car. Now I have to do the hardest part, which is in the front here, the little plastic piece of trim at the bottom of the front fender here. And then we'll be done. Now, this is some good stuff. Once again, this is Chemical Guys VRP, vinyl rubber plastic protectant. Also with these applicator pads, very great product. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever, but I did pick these up when I went to a detail garage, and it's actually really good stuff. So check it out. You can use it on any vehicle. I want to see how long it's going to last. So we're going to come back in a couple weeks and do an update video and see how well it holds up in the summertime sun, as you see that just came back out, and the rain. So thanks for watching another video on the Meandcarkeys channel. If you want to get any of these products, it will be in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, be part of the Meandcarkeys family. Leave a like. If you have any ideas for the Mazda CX5, I have some ideas of my own that I want to do on this car. It's time to give this car some attention. So if you have any ideas, put those in the description below. Anything that'll help the look of the car, performance, anything. Put it in the comments below. I do appreciate your advice and your comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.